So we started with the MIT project in a participatory approach from the Mediterranean level to the local level. We had a training in Montagofeno in Italy to see how we are going to design the packages. And it was also to know at which level we needed to provide each product. And here we started to work in improving the products, from infrastructure to equipment to communication with the local community. So here we are providing a high-level product of boat tour in the sea, or even a local launch at a unique landscape where you can see the agricultural zone or farming land just next to the sea, which is very unique, and the area is very rich with fresh water.
بلشت قديم كتير، بس بلشنا ننفذها بال99 تقريبا. المهم فتحت، أنا عملت 3 أوض. البروجرام كان إنه بيجيبوا هالأجانب بينيمون مع أهل البيت ببيت فيه أهله موجودين فيه، مش إنه ناخدهم على أوتيل عادي أو نزل عادي أو شيء.
مشوار البحر تقريبا بيتراوح له بين 5 ساعات 4-5 ساعات. بناخذهم على في منطقه عندنا، منطقه اسمها الفوارات، اللي هي الفوارات تبعد عن مدينه زور حوالي 7 كيلو متر بعرض البحر. العمدان كل عمود من هود العمدان الضخمه الكبيره، وفي ادراج، في درج كمان.
The city of Tyre is known and very famous for its fishermen. And here we are working also with fishermen who are using their experience in the sea as an alternative income in the off-season. This communication may help us encourage the fishermen to conserve the fisheries. The city of Tyre is declared a UNESCO site since 1984, and visiting the archaeological site can give an idea of the richness of this city that received many civilizations, Phoenicians, Romans, Crusaders, and Byzantine.